Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 7th of August. And first of all, national news. Center not to relax $4 billion tax demand to Infosys, a report said. BJP veteran LK Advani hospitalized, conditions stable, sources. CBI filed case against Aditya Birla Group's Hindalco for alleged corruption. Surat Diamond Company announced 10-day vacation for employees. Sunita Williams is in the safest possible place in space and there is no cause for concern, ISRO chairman. 19,000 Indians in Bangladesh, of which 9,000 are students. S. Shankar. Saying only preamble reflect constitution is flawed, official amid raw. And now international news. Amazon India head Manish Tiwari resigned. Nobel winner Muhammad Yunus said ready to head interim government in Bangladesh. 6,000 specialist police ready to deal with UK far-right riots. Government. Ultra-Orthodox anti-draft protesters broke into Israeli army base. Now some sports news. Rise in COVID-19 in Paris Olympics 2024. WHO reported more than 40 cases. After fourth place in Tokyo, golfer Aditi Ashok aiming for medal in Paris Olympics 2024. Taiwanese boxer Lin Yu Ting celebrated after a win at Paris Olympics 2024. Business related news. Gautam Adani planned to retire at 70, shared succession roadmap. Center to ease long term capital gain tax for sale of properties in budget. Science related news. Drinking water from plastic bottles can increase blood pressure. Study said. Airplane sized asteroid racing toward Earth at 30,381 km per hour, NASA reported. Earth only has 6 continents, Bold News study claimed. And that's all in news. Thank you.